In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to add a fixed image to your Wix.com website. So in this case, you can see this image isn't fixed, it's moving a little bit when I'm scrolling, and if you want to avoid that, I'll teach you how to remove it or how to add a picture that is fixed from the start. So let's go back to the editor right here, and then we can begin. So the issue that some people experience with an image that's moving is that you might have added an animation without knowing. So to add an animation or how to remove the animation is by clicking on the image right here and then go to this little section here. It's going to be green if it's animated and has an effect. Simply click on it. And now you can then go down. You can see which effect is applied. So in this case, there is the parallax effect onto this image. So to disable that, we can simply click on none right here. And now we can go up and click save if you just want to save the design to the website, or publish if you want it to go live on the website. So I'm going to try and click publish right here, and then we can check it if it's a fixed image or not. And now when I am on the page, you can see it's not moving at all this time. So now it is a fixed image to Wix.com. To add this image to your website, simply go over here on media on the left-hand side on the website editor, and now you can either upload the images, or if you already have it uploaded, you can click hit show more or select it from here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. When you upload a picture immediately from this media section, it's not going to have any effect applied to it. As an example here, you can see I have 2 pictures now, and there's no animation to the one I just added. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can just play around with it and place it wherever you want, and it's gonna be stuck there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions below, and I'll try my best to help you.